Hi, this is Christian Fouts with Core Real Estate Properties, and this is your Core Real Estate Minute. Today I'm going to talk about fees that are involved, agent fees when you sell your property versus selling to an investor. Well, when you sell through a traditional or what I call retail market of using a listing agent and having a buyer's agent that may bring a buyer to the sale, you have your commissions. You pay 6% commission. Is kind of standard. It's not set. Some people do it for 5 or 4. There is no set commission standard. So that's one fee that's involved. And then you may have to pay some advertising. They may want you to what's called co-op, pay for some of the marketing and advertising. It really depends on the type of agency or realtor that you're working with. Now, the fees involved with selling to an investor, there really isn't any fees directly because you're not paying a commission. However, as a real estate investor, we're looking to buy the property at a discount. So we're going to be paying less money than if you were selling it through the MLS system. However, there's one hidden fee or expense that most people don't think about, and that's the holding costs. With a real estate investor, usually it's a very short time frame. It could be as short as 7 days to 30 days. So you know your property is going to get sold and you know the price that it's going to get sold for. Versus listing it, you may list it for one price but sell it for substantially less. And also, you've got to keep in mind the monthly holding costs. The longer that it takes to sell your property, you have to pay your mortgage, your taxes, your insurance, your electric bill, your water. You get the idea. So there are hidden fees that you don't think about. So I hope you found this Core Real Estate Minute helpful.